Hey babes, welcome back again to my channel. I remain your favorite Beauty. Here again, I bring to you another aged transformation, babes. This she is already over 60, babes. And yeah, we are just going to be looking at how we are going to transform a face. So for some reason, I feel like I'm going to be like going in between English and Yoruba. So in theming, I'm going into my HD foundation. So babes, um, normally I would have gone with just one layer of foundation, babes, but I just felt like she has some hyper pigmentation on her face, and she has this very, of course it's obvious, so we had to settle that first, and one layer of foundation could not do it. So ẹ̀yin tèmi bá ṣe rí nìyẹn o. So nígbà tí a bá máa fi mú àtíkè kíní ohun tá à ń pè ní foundation, tá a bá fi mú, kò bo àwọn nǹkan tá a fẹ́ bò mọ́lẹ̀ yẹn, kò bo dáadáa. Nítorí ìdí èyí la fi wá mú foundation yẹn, la fi wá mú ní ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, that is the second layer. So I just had to like top up the second layer. So for some reason, babes, I just feel like I should drop in my undiluted Yoruba. My undiluted Yoruba. So, babes, well, I don't know honestly why it's just been like aged women, like old women, makeup transformations that have just been like having vibes for, I don't know, babes. I know some of you have missed my face. Oh, babes, you will be seeing it soon. Soon. So I just went straight into her hair. She made her hair recently, so of course we should not do anything. She just recently locked her hair, just like mine. Oh, babes, I've locked my hair for a few months now, and I know you've not seen me as in me. Last time I did a video of myself, I already did lock the hair, but I had wig cap on. I'm sorry for keeping that detail out. So, babes, you would probably be seeing my face next. Maybe. We don't know yet. We don't know. So, very quickly, I just um control the edges, to keep them from the way of the makeup. So babes, if you can notice this, the foundation is like really 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 light for our skin, but the truth is it is light for one part and not really light for the other part. But of course, we have to keep it simple and covered. So another one of the reasons why I did the foundation first before doing her hair is because I wanted it to dry. So next I'm going into highlight and contour, and I'm just doing everything like sharp sharp sharply sharply, no delay. So babes, I went into my LA Pro for the lighter shade and a mixture of LA Pro and Fora for the darker parts of the foundation, of the concealer. I'm sorry, for the concealer. So babes, I know, like, I don't really have much to say for this video. Like, I don't have much gist for you guys at all. I'm sorry, but as much as possible, I, a different line care, would be filling you in. So next we are just blending, you know. So like I said about the previous video, babes, I used just one brush for all of my blending. For wets, used just one brush. So right now, as of this moment, I know some people are going to be judging me like, really, are you really doing this? The whatever is so fair and all that, babes, I've got you covered. So I really would have loved if I could have had a very dark foundation that would go for both sides, but unfortunately, I did not have a darker foundation. Like, I have lighter shades of foundations, but this is like the darkest shade of foundation I have. So I played around it, to be honest. I did play around it. So babes, I'm just setting a face with some translucent powder, and I also went into black opal shade 3 to set the whole of our face before we go into contour proper, you know, just to set our face. She's going out and I want the makeup to stay for as long as possible as it can. So babes, next I'm going into our brows. For our brows, I'm doing nothing serious. I'm not doing anything serious. Like, let's just do something, you know. So I'm just brushing. I did set our brows extra and I went into my Diva pencil. So babes, of course, like always, like I would always say, I don't do extra for the brows. I just follow your normal brow line. So babes, of course, just bringing that out, we would be doing the rest of the brows later. So next I'm going into my beauty glazed. So babes, the for the eye, I'm not doing anything like too special. Hmm? Hmm? So I'm not doing anything too extravagant for her. You know how these women are now. Although they are just people, like they know what's up, but then you really, really don't want to go extra bored with them, and they'll be like, gbogbo ere, mi ìfẹ́ mọ́. If you know, guys, you know that kind of gist. So you really want to be careful with them. Although I fell in love with the eyes, I did love the eye makeup, even more than the face makeup, because it is well. So babes, I'm just like, moving forward with face, and then we will be contouring. So personally, I feel like the more you blend, the more makeup usually feels skin like on whoever's face it is. Now for the parts where I love, you can see how much I'm bringing our normal skin into play. Now it looks like her skin, you know, blending the whole makeup together. Oh, babes, makeup is fun if you know how to go. So, like I always say, if you know the rules, you can break the rules anytime. Now, human being, na him set the rule. Human being, èèyàn bíi tiwa ló set ló dá òfin yẹn lẹ̀. So, tá bá mọ òfin yìí, a lè ṣe nǹkan tó lè jẹ́ a lè mú òfin yẹn náà káwa náà ká tẹ̀ ẹ́ mọ́lẹ̀. I'm not saying you should break rules, oh, but when it comes to work and all, if you know the rules, you can bend the rules. So I just went into a very dark bronzer and like, you know, bringing some color into her face, like going deep, 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 going deeper into the face. Like you can see her hairline now. It looks same, or like how it was looking before. Like it was like two different colors, but obviously. So, babes, like I always say, blending, blending, blending is the key. Blending. When you blend well, it feels skin like. Like I it got to a point and I was like, did I really add foundation? Yeah. I thought I added 2 layers of foundation, and babes, it was still not far from our skin. It was still skin like. Babes, I'm just going into our nose contour, you know, to carve that out. But babes, I'm not doing anything too crazy. Too crazy. So next I'm going into some blush. I'm adding some blush to a face. Nothing too crazy. So when it comes to this blush of a thing, maybe because I personally do not like blush, but you really need to be careful because by the time you are adding the blush, when you're adding the blush, it doesn't really show that you're adding that blush. But when you are done with the face and all that, the blush begins to come into play and all. So guys, always be careful with this thing called blush. So next, highlighting a face with my fan brush. So I feel like this highlight was like a real game changer for the face. Like once I added 3 highlights, the face was on a whole new level. And I almost did not like it again, although I still love the way the face came out, babes. So I'm just blending the highlights. And next I went into a nose ridge, and come on, babes, come on. So babes, of course, even when I do my highlights, I always like to extra blend my highlights, you know, to make everything come together, make it beautiful, you know. So just going like last finishes. So next I went into the lips, and I'm so sorry I did not show the full of the lips, but it I actually had no idea that the other parts of the lips was no longer recording, but the little I have, babes, I give to you. So babes, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also babes, if you have any other babes, you can let me know in the comment section. Babes, also do not forget to subscribe and share. Also do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. Babes, I love you, and I really do want to appreciate you for always being there for me, for watching, for clicking this video. Thank you very much. I love you, my babies, my darlings, my sweets. Till we meet again, I remain your humble girl, your baby, your girl, your darling, Fehinbeauty. Please stay tuned for more videos. You can go. I would link other videos, other transformations in the link below. So, babes, till we meet again, I remain your girl, Fehinbeauty. Ciao, ciao.